This entrepreneur's story shows how franchising can become a long-term family business rather than just a single investment. Growing up in a family that entered the franchise industry decades ago, he experienced firsthand how a proven business model can create opportunities across generations. Today, his portfolio includes multiple restaurant brands operating in different segments of the industry. Instead of relying on a single concept, he believes diversification is one of the biggest advantages of multi-brand ownership. Different restaurant formats perform differently depending on the economy, allowing one brand to balance the performance of another during changing market conditions. While he acknowledges that building an independent business can offer significant upside, he believes franchising reduces many of the risks entrepreneurs face. A proven operating system, established processes, and ongoing support allow franchise owners to focus on leading people and growing the business instead of learning every lesson through trial and error. His long-term perspective is centered on generational wealth. Having benefited from the foundation his parents built, he now hopes to continue expanding the business and eventually pass those opportunities on to the next generation. For him, franchising isn't simply about operating restaurants. It's about creating a lasting family legacy. His journey also highlights an important lesson for aspiring franchise owners. Diversification matters. By owning multiple brands across different restaurant categories, operators can better navigate economic changes, shifting consumer preferences, and industry trends while building a more resilient business over time.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.